Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about the general posting tab. So especially for this error message, if you set up the VAT business posting group, VAT product posting groups, and you did a VAT posting setup, and if you did that for VAT in your system, then if you do not have the general posting tab specified on your general ledger account for the revenue or expense account, then you may have this error when you try to post a transaction which relate to those general ledger account, or when you do the exchange rate update. So basically, we have customer who got this error when they do the exchange rate updates. And what happened is like, even we are in North America, we do not use VAT, but some company, they have operations in some countries in around North America, and which has the VAT in those countries. That, for example, like Costa Rica. For Costa Rica, and you will see in that country they use the VAT. So then if your company is in North America, but you have operations in those countries which has VAT, and in your Dynamics NAV or Business Central companies, you set up this VAT setup. So in North American version, you will not see it says VAT business posting group, VAT product posting group. But actually, what you see here for the tax posting, these are all related to the VAT, because the regular sales tax we use in North America is in the sales tax setup. You set up the tax group, tax area, tax jurisdiction, and tax details. But this setup for the tax business posting group, tax product posting, these actually is the VAT business posting group, VAT product posting group. But in the North American version, it does not call it VAT, call it tax. So if you are a North American company, you set up your Dynamics NAV or Business Central company which use VAT, and you did not set up in the general ledger account, for example, let's see, for the exchange rate, if we look at our currencies. So in this company, I will not have this error because I didn't set up. You could see my setup for this VAT all blank. I don't have any setup here. And also I did not set up all the tax business posting group on my general ledger account. So let's see if we are using like USD. Okay, for example, for USD, you can see I have the realized gain account, realized loss account, which point to my general ledger account, and unrealized gain and unrealized loss. So if you are doing adjust exchange rate, but on this account, for example, it's trying to post to this account, but you have the VAT set up, and because you set up the VAT on the general ledger account, you will set up the tax. You will set up the tax business posting, tax product posting group on your general ledger account. If you did set this up, then the system is looking for a combination of these two, the general posting type. So you have to specify its purchase or sale. If you do not set up the general product posting group, it doesn't matter. Okay, if it does not set up the tax product posting group, then you did not set up your VAT, then it's fine. But if you specify the tax product posting group for VAT, then the system is looking for this general posting tab in order to adjust the exchange rate. So you can see this definition if you look at, there's a link. So, but this version I'm showing you is for Dynamics NAV 2015, but the same concept is also true for Business Central for this field. So you could see the program uses the general posting tab field together with the VAT business posting group and VAT product posting group to find the account to which the program posts VAT. So if it's blank, then if you select this option which is blank, it's used with transactions that do not involve VAT calculation at all. But if you set up the VAT, like because it's used together with the VAT business posting group or VAT product posting group, if on the general ledger account you specify the VAT product posting group, then it has to be this general posting tab cannot be blank. You have to select either purchase or sell. It depends on if it's depends on the nature of that transaction. Okay, so when you select the purchase, then this will be used with purchase transactions. The program uses the information to calculate the correct purchase VAT and post to that account for the purchase VAT. And if it's a sale, then it's used together with the sales transactions, and the program uses this information to calculate the correct sales VAT and post to that sales VAT account. So if you do not enter anything, then this will be the general posting tab will be blank. And in that case, if you set up the VAT product posting group on that general ledger account, then you will see arrows. So this has to be in combination. If you did VAT setup in the NAV or Business Central company, if you have set up the VAT setup which I pointed out, then this setup, then you have to make sure you fill out the general posting tab either on the general ledger account itself, or when you do the transaction through the journals, then you have to make sure you populate that on the journal. So if you don't want to set it up on the general ledger account, you have to make sure when you post the transactions, this is populated on the journal, on the general journal or other journals. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope to see you guys again next time.